Hi, this is Adam, and I brought my daughter here to show you about stretching. It is really good. There's lots of different ways we can stretch our body, and you might even be able to do the splits when you're done with some of these exercises. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, when I start stretching, I spread my legs open like this, and I have my toes pointing up. I take my arm and I reach toward that toe, and I work on touching it, and I hold it for 5 to 7 seconds. I'll go over to the other toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I also like to reach towards the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can just work on touching your toes and stretching in that way if you would like. And there's also things you can do with a butterfly stretch where you put both of your feet together like this and push your legs down to stretch your groin area down here and your hips. Guess what? Ellie is going to teach you a little bit more about how to work towards the splits. So here we go.
One of my favorite stretches to get in the splits is just putting your leg out in a far lunge and then reaching down as far as possible towards the ground. Then you do it on the other side. It's important to stay balanced in flexibility as much as possible. Eventually, you might even be able to do the splits.
There you go, the splits. Nice work. Hey, guess what? There are lots of different stretches, but that is a couple ones that you can work on for your lower body and for your back and for your hips to try to get loose and flexible. Enjoy!